Did you know that in the 18th century, snuff was the must-have accessory for the elite? This wasn't your average pinch of tobacco, though. People would literally snort it, believing it cured everything from colds to bad morals. It was all the rage among aristocrats who had special snuff boxes made from gold, mother of pearl, or even encrusted with jewels. And if you accidentally sneezed snuff all over someone at a party, no big deal. It was seen as a mark of elegance. Imagine that, a sneeze that says, "I'm fancy." What's the quirkiest fashion trend you've come across from history?